up, Rochachos and Solutions here, third video. Yeah. And this is quite a short video again. It is, or it will be probably called, oh, my finger's in the way, that's derpy. Loud noises, okay? Right, 1 to 10. What do you think this is? And how noisy it is? 3, 2, 1. And again. And once more. This time. God. Hit again. 3, 2, 1. That completely failed. Oh, my finger. God, it's in the way of everyone. And the camera. That was a bit dramatic. Yes! God, my finger again, really? Ugh. Solutions signing out. And this is a brick which is related to stone and made out of stone. So, goodbye, and I will see you later.